Today's lesson is going to have a wee bit about global warming and climate change. You will have to kind of chat with your teacher, and you also have to put up with my dulcet tones, which may put you to sleep, so I apologise in advance. So, what is global warming? So, all I want you to do is think about how you would describe the phrase global warming. You've got a wee graph at the side here, it's there, which kind of tells you what it is. And my definition, which is quite long and wordy, is the rising of the average temperature of Earth over a long period of time, which causes climates to change across the planet. And all that really means is that the temperature of Earth is getting warmer, and actually some places on Earth will get warmer with it. Some might get colder, some might have more rain, and some might not get any rain anymore. So it's about how the world is changing and what the kind of climate is going to be like. So, when you think about what causes global warming, write down as many things as you can. There's been loads of kind of things on the news and on TV very recently, so you should be able to get at least one thing from there. For 1 minute, share it with the person next to you, or if it's only you and your teacher in class, have a wee chat with your teacher about different things you've managed to come up with. And then let's see if we can add to our list by sharing with the people around about us. All right, and we should have now more kind of causes of global warming. So, did we get all of these? Now, in the top left-hand corner up here, there is a picture of someone using a chainsaw to cut down a tree. Now, trees take in carbon dioxide and produce oxygen, so if we cut them down, it releases all the carbon dioxide in it, which causes climate change. We have a picture of a cow, and a cow, when it farts or burps, produces a gas called methane, which then increases global warming and adds to climate change. We've got the burning of fossil fuels in power plants, how we get electricity and so on. We've got a car exhaust here. It produces a gas called nitrous oxide, so the more cars that are on the road, the more nitrous oxide is produced. Aeroplanes also use fuel and petrol, so they produce these greenhouse gases, they're called. That's what all these gases that produce, that lead to climate change are called. The increased use of electricity, so if you leave a light on when you could easily turn it off, means more coal and gas and stuff is used for power plants to give us that. And fridges and deodorants is a bit of a weird one, but they have a gas in them called chlorofluorocarbons, or commonly known as CFCs. So when you spray your deodorant to smell nice, that's releasing these CFCs into the atmosphere. And the last one is volcanoes. Now, volcanoes is the opposite of all of these, because actually this big cloud of gas here blocks out the sun and it actually makes the earth colder for a short period of time. So that's the only one that makes the earth cooler, whereas all of the rest make the earth warmer. All right. So what you can do is you think about your own carbon footprint, things you can do. So have a copy of the table. So things you use the car for, if you have a car, if you use one at all. Places I have flown to, might not have gone anywhere, which is cool. It means your carbon footprint is really small. Things that you use that need electricity, you're probably watching this on a device that needs electricity just now. Your phone needs electricity to be charged every night. And things that you own that were made abroad, check your trainers, check your clothes, check your phone, where was it made, and have a think about how it got to where you bought it from. So the shop up the centre or wherever. Oh, sorry, went too far there. And for a bit of fun, you can create your own carbon footprint around everything you've seen in your table, draw on your foot, divide it up, and everything that contributes to climate change, you can then put on